Alright, don't mind that right there, I kind of messed up right in my example. But this is the last example I'm going to do for solving proportions. I said here I'm going to find my excluded values first. This is important because you need to make sure you take those excluded values into account right off the bat. So I'm going to go ahead and set my, right there, yeah. I'm going to go x minus 6 equals 0 and x plus 8 equals 0. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and set these, I set my denominators equal to 0 because they have a variable in them, which is perfect. So x minus 6 equals 0 is going to be x equals 6, and this is going to be x equals a negative 8. So what do we know about x equaling 6 and x equaling negative 8? What do we know about it? Okay, we know it is an excluded value, so that means can my x actually equal 6 here? The answer would be no, it cannot equal 6. If it were to equal 6, that means I'd get a 0 in my denominator, which would make it undefined, which means no bueno. So we know that x cannot equal 6, x cannot equal negative 8. Okay, we have 2 here, so we got to make sure we take them both into account. So let's find out what x can equal. Okay, so we're going to cross multiply, which we're going to start here. Again, it doesn't matter where you start. You got to find a place to start though. I'm going to start with a 4 and the x minus 6. So 4 times x is 4x. 4 times negative 6 is negative 24. All right. And then you have 7 times x, which is 7x. 7 times 8, which is 56. Okay. Now we need to get all of our x's on one side. Again, I like to deal with positive variables. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to notice that if I move this 4 over, I'm still going to be dealing with a positive variable. So I'm going to have negative 24 equals positive 3x plus 56. Alright, now I'm just solving for x. I need to get rid of this 56. So I'm going to minus 56, minus 56, and that's going to give me, what's 70, 80? It's going to give me negative 80 equals 3x, right? And then from there, I'm going to divide by 3, divide by 3. So I know that x equals a negative 80 over 3. That's what my x has to equal here. It has to equal a negative 80 over 3. And we know that x cannot equal 6 or negative 8 because those are our excluded values which we found in the beginning. And that is solving proportions.